Kumusta mga katribo? I hope you're all doing well today. You might have heard about this, that PGB is looking for talents in video making. And you say to yourself, how could I be the next video making champion if I had not made any videos before? Could maybe come up with an interesting topic, but how can I translate it in a video? Where should I start? What does a video editor looks like? Yes, these are some questions that you might have right now. Although video making, editing are terms that sounds very familiar, but the how part is the kind of the unfamiliar to many. However, PowerPoint is not that new to everybody, I'm sure. Most, if not all, have made a PowerPoint presentation before. So, this will be your answer to that question. Where should you start? Because we can turn your PowerPoint presentation in a video in some easy steps. First, let's start up our PowerPoint application. By the way, this is a PowerPoint 2007. And for the purpose of this demonstration, we will use a blank presentation. Nothing too complicated. So, we'll just type test for the first slide. Then we add another slide. We will type slide 1. And we create another slide. This time, slide 2. So now, you can see the idea. You have the title, you have slide 1, and slide 2. Say this is the whole of your slide presentation. Here's how you turn it into a video. You go up to the slideshow. Here, click slideshow, then look for record narration. Click that, then click OK. Choose first slide. So what is happening here is, while I'm talking, it is actually recording. This is the point where you go through the slides and saying something about your slides. Blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Click the next slide. Blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. And then the last slide. So on and so forth. So when you're done, you click save. Now let us check what we have recorded by clicking the from beginning bottom here. Right now, you are seeing the video we have just recorded. So if you are contented with the result, we then have to save it. But before we do that, prior to this video, I was able to download the iSpring River 8 app while I was searching for an application that can convert PowerPoint presentation into MP4. So to download, we search iSpring River 8. Click this one, then click free download. After completing the download, the iSpring River 8 will appear in your PowerPoint toolbar, which is right here. So to save our PowerPoint to MP4, we click then click Publish. Select My Computer. You don't have to change anything. Then click Publish. Then OK. And that would be all. I hope that this video tutorial will help you getting started on your way to becoming one of the PGB video making talent. Thank you for watching.